Hello guys, welcome to Pharma Palette. Today we are learning Haematinics classification in a very simple way with easy tricks. Many students find this topic confusing because there are many drugs like iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, etc. But don't worry, after this video you will remember it easily for your exams. So watch till the end. So to remember the subclasses under this Haematinics classification, just remember it as AIM. So AIM Haematinics. So where A means it is adjuvant hematinics, I means it is iron, M means it is maturation factors. Clear? Hematinics classification, just remember that these are divided into three classes. To remember them, remember it as AIM, where A means it is adjuvant hematinics, I means it is iron, and M means it is maturation factors. So first one is adjuvant hematinics. So here, just remember one trick, that is CPR, and the adjuvant hematinics will be done. So in the adjuvant hematinics, remember it as CPR, where C means it is copper, P means it is pyridoxine, R means it is riboflavin. So adjuvant hematinics, remember it as CPR, where C means it is copper, P means it is pyridoxine, R means it is riboflavin. So coming back to this maturation factors. So here just remember that this maturation factors will be two. One will be related to the vitamin B12, one are related to the folic acid. So one related to vitamin B12, one related to the folic acid. So in this vitamin B12, just remember it as sky, water and chemical. Let me tell you what is what. So sky means remember it as cyano, water means it is hydro, chemical means it is methyl. Cyano, hydro, methyl. So vitamin B12 is simply cobalamin. So just add cobalamin. So one is cyanocobalamin. Second one is hydroxocobalamin. Then third one is methylcobalamin. Clear? Now coming back to the next one, which is folic acid. So under this folic acid, just remember it as polyfolic. That means one is called as folinic acid. So folinic acid can also be called as leucovorin. So that's it about this maturation factors. To remember the hematinics classification, remember it as AIM, where A means it is adjuvant hematinics. So here remember it as CPR, where C means it is copper, P means it is pyridoxine, R means it is riboflavin. Coming to the second one, iron, which we'll be discussing about it later. M means it is maturation factors. So these are again of two, one related to the vitamin B12, one related to the folic acid. So folic acid means remember it as polyfolic. So there will be only one drug, that is folic acid, that you can also call this as leucovorin. And the next one is vitamin B12. So to easily remember this class, remember it as sky, water, chemical. So sky means remember it as cyano. Water means it is hydro. Chemical means it is methyl. So the drugs are cyanocobalamin, hydroxocobalamin and methacobalamin. Now let's get into this iron drugs. So these are divided into two important things. So one is oral iron, other one is parenteral iron. One is oral iron, one is parenteral iron. So here in the parenteral iron, remember the trick as Dexter succeed carefully. Dexter succeed carefully. That means here the examples are, one is two drugs will be with iron, two drugs will be with ferrous and ferric. Okay, so the first one is D, so that means iron dextrane, and second one is S, that means iron sorbitol citric acid. Then third one is with ferrous, again it is also with S, that means ferrous sucrose. Then last one is C, that means it is ferric carboxy maltose. Now coming back to the first one, which is oral iron. Now let's divide this into three different parts. So we will be taking it as ferrous, ferric and special. Okay, just remember it as a trick. So ferrous, ferric and special. And here also in ferrous, remember it as fax, and in ferric, remember it as Ha, and special you will be having two drugs here. So let's try to write the drugs now. So first I said ferrous fax. So you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4 drugs with the term ferrous. So first one is ferrous. F means it is fumarate. Ferrous fumarate. Now second one is ferrous. A means it is aminoate. Then third one is ferrous. G means it is gluconate. Then fourth one is ferrous. S means it is sulfate. It can also be ferrous succinate. So you got the 5 drugs here. So in the oral iron, first part is ferrous. So there you remember fax, ferrous fax. So the drugs are, one is ferrous fumarate, ferrous aminoate, ferrous gluconate, ferrous sulfate, ferrous succinate. Done. Now coming to the second group, that is ferric. In the ferric, just remember Ha, right? So remember it as ferric ammonium A means it is ferric ammonium citrate. Then H means it is ferric hydroxy polymaltose. Okay, HA. So in the second group is ferric. So two drugs will be starting with ferric. So H means ferric hydroxy polymaltose. A means ferric ammonium citrate. Now coming to the third one, that is special. So there are only two drugs here. So one drug is carbonyl iron. So those special drugs will be having iron in it. Okay. So one is carbonyl iron. One is iron cal complex. Carbonyl iron, iron cal complex. So then this class will be done. So this is the complete classification of hematinics. Remember, understanding is always better than memorizing. If this video helped you, comment it as done, share it with your friends, subscribe to Pharma Palette, Like the video and stay tuned on Pharma Palette. I will simplify more pharmacological topics for you. Let's see you all in the next video and thanks for watching.